Hello, my little rain clouds. I just had a online class has finished, and I thought I would treat myself to a cute little Lego game that I found. I just play a little bit and record a little bit. It's freely available. I'll put a link in the description. You can do it too. It gives you like little challenges to build in like Lego blocks, but you only have 20 bricks. So that's the challenge. And yeah, it's like really cute and fun. I was building some Lego with my nephew a little while back, and I only had these kinds of simple bricks, so I didn't have any fancy bricks to use. So I ended up making a little sheep and a fat derpy dragon, and it was really like challenging and fun and creative to use those blocks and like have those limitations. I'll put a link up, a picture up of what I built, and it was cute. And yeah, he got some Lego for his birthday as well, and we were helping him put together a police station. I did most of it. And it was just really fun, like following the instructions and making things. So I kind of was looking for something like this. So there's a daily challenge that you can do, but today's one is an orchestra, which I tried to do and is quite tricky in Lego. So I'm going to just do a random challenge and see how we go. A bird. Okay. All right. I can do a bird. What's a bird look like? Okay, so you can do like little different colors and things. We have like feet, I guess, like that. And then we can do like a red bird. Sure. It's gonna be slightly off. I guess you want more of a tail, possibly. And we can have like one of these. Is that going to be good, or do we want like more of a tail? Maybe. Oh boy, it's a little bit janky, the UI, the interface, but janky. I'm not really sure like how big a bird we want is the thing. Oh, hello. Okay. Is that accurate? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Okay, good. And then I guess we will put one of these in there. We could do like some extra colors in there, I suppose. Not all birds are like completely uniform. Could even do like a red-breasted robin, I guess. So we could have had like brown here and then red there, but it's fine. Then how's the beak gonna work? Like more yellow. One of these, and then like one of those. Is that good? Maybe? Question mark. And then what do we want? Like more red over here, and I guess we can do not those. I don't want that. I want this one, like this, and then more of that. Maybe? No. Let's get... Is this going to be bad? Is that going to work? Maybe? Not sure. And then like one of these, and then like... Don't know if that's correct or not. Do we make it like a longer beak? We could do a longer beak, maybe. Like one of these, and then, oh, hello, please give me my beak back. Okay, like that. Is that good? Maybe? I don't know. And then we want a red one of these, like that. And then, is that good? Do we want like an eye section? I haven't really left myself a lot of room there. Is that going to look any good at all? Is that terrible or okay? It's not fantastic, but it's okay. It's like kind of nice. Sure. Okay. There's a bird. It's the eye is not really where I would want it to be, but you know what? How would we do that differently? I guess that whole thing would have to be like eyes, wouldn't it? Or would it? What if we went like that? Or even like that? And then you have some like flatter bits like that. And like, hello, where are you? Come on. Like that. And then like, Nope, that's not how you do it. Okay. What about that? And then, like, that. That looks very shifty or like angry. It's like glaring. I kind of actually like that now. It's like a very secretive bird. Also, it kind of looks like if Iron Man built a bird, this would be it. This would be like the Mark IV or something. Okay, so that was. And look, we're under 20 as well. That's nice. Okay. So that's our bird. Great. We can do another one, maybe. Yeah, superhero. Interesting. How does one do a superhero? That is tricky, actually. Why is it on 17 still? That's not right. Oh, there we go. Okay. Can I do a superhero? You know what? I don't know if I'm up to the challenge. Maybe we'll try something else. I had a robot before, that was good. A frog. Okay. A frog. How's that gonna work? I feel like it's gonna be pretty similar to our bird, but with like a sticky out tongue, maybe. Do we give it like a body? Like a long body? Maybe. Not that one. Like what's a frog's butt like? That, and then like that seems quite long for a frog, probably. Are we gonna make it like bigger? Like that, and then we'll have like a pink tongue coming out. Like that. Is that good? And then like that. Oop. Like This kind of looks like Fat Pony from Kate Beaton's comics, if you're familiar. I think frogs tend to be a lot more wide than long is the thing. Not 100% sure about this. We'll give it like eyes. Not really sure how I feel about this, but maybe. We're already at 14 blocks. Oof, that's not great. I've kind of got like extra bits in there, which ain't fantastic. What if we just did like that? That's kind of terrible, isn't it? That's the worst thing I've ever seen. Alright, let's not do that. What about that? And then like just a square. I don't love it, but I guess it looks more like a pig or something. Maybe it's just green. All right, fine. That's my frog. Maybe one more. Oh boy. Summer scene. I don't want to do like a whole scene. Bridge. Okay. I can do a bridge. For sure. Do we make like the Golden Gate Bridge, or do we do like a regular concretey kind of bridge? All right. So do we do like a grey bridge, I guess, and then. So you're going to have like some pillars, supports, I think they are sometimes termed. Actually, this might need to come in a little bit because we don't have a whole lot of room. Okay, there. Probably don't need to make it this tall, but I am going to, so deal with it. Are we just going to make it like a shorter bridge? I was going to make it big, but I guess like that kind of works. Is that good, or do we want like a bigger one? Like that. Yeah, that works. Okay. I mean, that's like pretty good as it is, right? I guess you could just like put like a road on it. That's pretty simple. You know what? I'll put that there. I'll put this one there. That's a pretty boring bridge, isn't it? It is. I mean, that is how bridges tend to be. Some of them anyway. All right, maybe one more because that was really short. Okay. TV show. What? TV show. What? No, let's do something else. I'm a bit picky about what I drew. A tree. Well, that seems too easy. I could do a tree easily. Sweet shop. I don't think I can do a sweet shop in 20. That's tricky. Piece of art. I mean, anything could be a piece of art if you think about it. What would we do with art? What is art? What does art look like? You got like the soup cans, you got like the melting clocks. we do art? What does piece of art mean? So many art things are like people, and I can't do people in these kinds of things. My mind's gone blank. Let's do something else. Give me a good one, please. Something easy but not too easy. Bike. A bike? I can't do a bike. Bikes need circles for tires. I can't do a tire. Come on. Campsite. Okay, I could do a campsite, sure. So what, you want like you want like tents? We're gonna have like a tent. Then like I may not have given this enough room actually. Oh no, I think it's alright. Okay. That's like an okay tent, right? I guess you typically have them like longer than that. Maybe we can do two. Okay. And the green tent's like pretty classic, right? Oof. We are admittedly kind of running low on blocks. Wait. Is that right? Oh yeah, that's right. Okay. Perspective's kind of tricky. Alright, it's small, but it works. And then what do you want? Like a brown sticks crisscrossed like this, and then that's not gonna work, is it? How do you crisscross with it? Alright, we'll do a 3x3. Okay. Like one of these, and then come on. Like one of these. And then no, that's not gonna work. Then like you do like a yellow one, and then like an orange one, and then like a red one of these. Does that look like fire? No, it does not. What about one of these? Doesn't really look like fire. Is that how would I do fire? Would it be better with squares? Maybe it would be better with squares. Possibly. You know what, actually, you could probably just like do that. That probably works better than the way I did it. Okay. Then you do. Should the yellow part be big, and then like that, like red? Does that kind of look like fire? Not really. Maybe, kind of. What if we're already like really low on pieces? I hate this, but it's okay. Then like one of these and one of these. That's terrible as well. I don't like that at all. What if we did? What if we did like long boys? No. Would that work? I don't think so. No. That does not work at all. Okay. I don't like these after all. We'll just do the way that we had it, I think. Actually, would sticks work like that? Is that gonna look like anything? Maybe. I don't think that's really gonna look good, but maybe. No, I don't think so. Because like, it's very asymmetric. Like even if you put one there, no, it's just gonna look like some weird like rocket or something. I don't think that works. All right, fine. That's okay. We'll just have it as it was. Do we just maybe we don't have the big yellow, and we just have small yellow, and it'll just be a small fire because you got to keep those things under control, right? Not that. That. All right. It's very minimalist, but it's like kind of nice, right? Is there anything that you need else? Like, we can't do like a camping stick. I don't know. You can have. Actually, we could have some binoculars. That's his nail noggin. There you go. Binoculars, or like water canteens or something. I don't know. That works. That kind of works. Sure. We could make like a backpack or something, I guess, but we didn't really have the pieces for it. That's okay. I actually think that's quite nice. There's a nice little cozy campfire and like a tent and some binoculars that are actually pretty big. Yeah, I think that's cute. Yeah, I think that was nice. Okay, my little rain clouds. I think that's good for them, but I might play some more of this. This is really cute. Just a fun little diversion. Let me know what you thought about that, and maybe I'll do more. Okay, my little rain clouds. Until next time. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.